You know you're getting older when you spend more time in the pharmacy than a pharmacist. It's like a second home, but instead of cozy couches, you have aisles of pills and potions. You start recognizing the staff and they know you by name. "Oh, it's you again," they say with a smile as you pick up yet another prescription. "Just the other day, I was searching for a natural remedy for my creaky knees. You know, the kind of knees that make you sound like a bowl of Rice Krispies every time you stand up. Snap, crackle, pop, I thought. There has to be something out there that can help me without making me feel like a walking pharmacy." My grandson, ever the comedian, suggested WD-40. "Bless his heart," he said. "Grandpa, if it works on rusty hinges, it should work on your knees." We had a good laugh about it, but I wasn't quite ready to turn myself into a human toolbox. But I had something else in mind, a secret weapon with a history as long as time itself, castor oil. This isn't just any oil, it's the stuff of legends. Used by ancient civilizations for its healing properties, castor oil has been a go-to remedy for generations. Yes, that same castor oil your grandmother swore by. She used it for everything from stomach aches to skin care. I remember her saying, "A spoonful of castor oil a day keeps the doctor away." And she wasn't wrong. Turns out, Grandma was onto something. This humble oil has a myriad of uses that go beyond what we might think. It's like a Swiss Army knife in a bottle. This humble oil, derived from the castor bean plant, has been a staple in natural medicine for centuries. The process of extracting the oil is fascinating, and the end product is a versatile elixir that has stood the test of time. And let me tell you, it's more than just a laxative. Castor oil can be used for hair growth, skin care, and even as a remedy for joint pain. It's like finding a treasure chest of health benefits in one little bottle. In this journey of discovery, we'll explore the incredible benefits of using castor oil for 7 days straight, especially for those of us who remember when disco was king and queen. Imagine feeling rejuvenated and spry, ready to dance the night away just like the good old days. Get ready for some laughs, some aha moments, and maybe even a few surprises along the way. We'll dive into the history, the science, and the personal stories that make castor oil a beloved remedy. So grab your bottle, and let's embark on this hilarious and enlightening adventure together. Legend has it that Cleopatra, the Egyptian queen known for her stunning beauty, used castor oil as part of her beauty regimen. Now, I can't promise you'll rule Egypt after using castor oil, but you might just notice a regal glow to your skin. For centuries, castor oil has been a go-to remedy for various ailments, from skin conditions to digestive issues. It's been used in traditional medicine systems around the world, and modern science is finally catching up to its potential. Let's face it, after 50, our skin could use a little extra TLC. As we age, our skin naturally loses its elasticity and moisture, leading to the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This can be a source of concern for many, but there's no need to worry. Fine lines, wrinkles, and dryness become unwelcome guests. These changes are a normal part of aging, but they can make us feel less confident about our appearance. The good news is, there are natural remedies that can help. But fear not, castor oil is here to the rescue. This age-old remedy has been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions. It's a versatile oil that offers numerous benefits for mature skin. Rich in ricinoleic acid, a powerful fatty acid, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, moisturizing and plumping it up from within. This unique compound helps to retain moisture, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy skin cell regeneration. Think of it as a natural facelift in a bottle. Regular use of castor oil can lead to noticeable improvements in skin texture and tone. It can help to smooth out those fine lines and give your skin a more youthful appearance. And the best part? It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Unlike some commercial skincare products that can cause irritation, castor oil is soothing and nourishing. It's suitable for all skin types, including those with sensitive or reactive skin. Simply massage a few drops onto your face and neck before bedtime and let the oil work its magic overnight. This simple addition to your nighttime routine can make a big difference. The oil works while you sleep, helping to repair and rejuvenate your skin. You'll wake up to softer, smoother, and more youthful-looking skin. With consistent use, you'll notice your skin becoming more radiant and resilient. So why not give castor oil a try and see the transformation for yourself? Embrace the natural way to maintain your skin's youthful glow. Remember those creaky knees I mentioned earlier? Well, castor oil has become my new best friend. Its anti-inflammatory properties work wonders for soothing aching joints and muscles. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, muscle soreness, or just the everyday aches and pains that come with age, Castor oil can provide natural relief. You can apply it topically, massaging it into the affected area, or even try a warm castor oil pack for deeper penetration and relaxation. Happy gut, happy life, castor oil, and digestion. After 50, let's talk about digestion, shall we? As we age, our digestive systems can become a bit, well, sluggish. But don't reach for those over-the-counter laxatives just yet. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for constipation. It works by gently stimulating bowel movements, promoting regularity and easing discomfort. But remember, a little goes a long way. Start with a small dose and consult with your doctor to find the right amount for you. Possible side effects. Don't worry, be happy and informed. Now, before you go dousing yourself in castor oil, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. While generally safe for topical use, castor oil can cause skin irritation in some people. It's always a good idea to do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. When it comes to internal use, remember that more is not better. Taking too much castor oil can lead to digestive upset, including diarrhea and cramping. Always start with a low dose and consult with your doctor to determine the appropriate amount for you. Day 1. The castor oil experiment begins. Today marks the start of an exciting journey into the world of natural remedies. All right, folks, it's time to put castor oil to the test. This age-old remedy has been praised for its numerous benefits, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. Day 1 of our 7-day experiment begins with a healthy dose of optimism and a small bottle of castor oil. We're diving headfirst into this with high hopes and a spirit of curiosity. I started my day by applying a few drops of castor oil to my face and neck after cleansing. The oil felt thick and rich, almost like a luxurious treat for my skin. It felt a little greasy at first, but it absorbed quickly, leaving my skin feeling soft and hydrated. I could already sense a subtle glow. Next, I massaged a teaspoon of castor oil into my achy knees before bed. The process was soothing, and I could feel the tension in my muscles easing. The scent took me back to my grandmother's house, which brought a smile to my face. It was a comforting, nostalgic aroma that made the experience even more enjoyable. Now let's see what kind of magic this ancient remedy has in store. Over the next week, we'll be exploring its effects on various aspects of health and wellness. From skincare to joint pain relief, we're covering it all. Stay tuned as we document each step of this fascinating experiment. Will castor oil prove to be the miracle solution it's touted to be? Only time will tell, but we're excited to find out. Join us on this journey and discover the potential benefits of castor oil for yourself. Let's embark on this adventure together and see where it leads us. Days 2 to 4, subtle changes and unexpected benefits. A few days into the experiment, and I'm already noticing some subtle but positive changes. My skin feels incredibly soft and hydrated. Those fine lines around my eyes seem to have softened. My complexion looks more radiant. But here's a surprise. I've also noticed an improvement in my digestion. Everything seems to be moving along more smoothly, if you know what I mean, and my energy levels feel more balanced throughout the day. Who knew castor oil could be a multitasker? Days 5 to 7, a new you emerges, or maybe just softer skin. As we approach the end of our 7-day castor oil journey, I'm pleasantly surprised by the results. My skin has never looked better. It's soft, supple, and has a healthy glow that I haven't seen in years. My joint pain has also subsided significantly. I can now climb the stairs without feeling like I need a hip replacement, which is a major win in my book. And my digestion? Let's just say things are regular in the Oz household. The verdict: was it worth it? So, would I recommend incorporating castor oil into your routine after 50? Absolutely. It's a natural, affordable, and effective way to address a variety of age-related concerns. From improving skin health to easing joint pain and promoting digestive regularity, castor oil has become a staple in my self-care routine. But remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work for another. It's always best to start with a small dose and consult with your doctor before incorporating any new supplement or remedy into your routine. Castor oil, your new best friend, after consulting your doctor, of course. Well, there you have it, folks. The 7-day castor oil experiment has come to an end, and I'm feeling like a new man. While I can't promise you'll experience the same results, I encourage you to give castor oil a try. You might just be surprised by what this ancient remedy can do for you. Just remember to chat with your doctor first. Listen to your body, and always use castor oil responsibly. Stay healthy, stay informed, and keep laughing.